Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manikeny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. If you're already part of this Mani gang though, I appreciate you guys as usual. So today you can see my hair is already blown out. Today I'm going to style my hair and I'm attempting a high ponytail myself for the first time. So if you want to see that, you want to see the struggle, stay tuned and let's jump right into this video.
It's Manikeny.
So for this hairstyle, as you can see, I already blew my hair out. Is that what? I really done a blowout on my hair, just that it should be a little bit straight, because the ponytail I want to use in the back or at the end is actually a kinky straight ponytail. Today I'm going for this kinky straight in I think 18 or 20 inches, and I am going to use this as my ponytail at the end. So yeah, for now I need to style this, so let's do this. Start up with your hair blown out, either using heat, so a flat iron as you saw in my previous video, or there are other methods of straightening your hair, and some people use some products and stuff, not relaxer, but there are other methods of making your hair look a bit straighter than it is when you just wash your hair.
I'll start by closing the line that I made while straightening my hair, and yeah, I'll just comb through it from back to front, make sure that everything is joined together, because the style I'm going for is like a one whole ponytail with no lines. Yeah, and I was feeling my hair and it's pretty long. So now I start by separating the hair into three. My parts are not super clean, but yeah, I cannot see the back of my hair, so yeah, I'm going to use this gel and this edge control to put down the hair. I'll start with the middle one to make sure that the hair is exactly the ponytail is exactly at the point where I want it to be, like in the middle. So I start with the middle one and I start putting the gel on it, brushing through it or brushing on it to make sure that it's laying down as flat as possible. And yeah, for this part I use a lot of the gel and the edge control kind of mixed together, because the edge control had a bit of a stronger hold. Yeah, so I do that all over and I tie it up, and that is pretty much what I am going to keep doing till I'm satisfied of how smooth the ponytail is coming together before I start tying it. So now using this brown thread, I'll make like a double or triple thread out of it, and I'll use that to start tying the middle part of my hair, which is already laid with the gel. And I just tie round and round and make sure that it is well tied together, because a normal scrunchie is not going to be able to give me the hold that I want. So I just keep tying as you see me doing till I'm satisfied of how good it's holding the hair together. Now it's time to start attaching the rest of the hair. So I will start with the bottom part of the hair, and I just comb through it to make sure there are no knots or anything. And yeah, because the thread was disturbing, and that's why I'm holding it with my mouth. I mean, anyway, so you can do it the way you want. You can pin it somewhere else. But yeah, so I go line by line as you see me doing. Yes, my parts are not clean again, but I can also see the back of my head, so yes. So I just kind of freestyle it. I go with my fingers, go line by line in my hair, and I take little parts of the hair and add it to the middle bun, which I've already made. That way it'll be easier for the hair to be flat at the end, the way I want it. So yeah, I just go with the gel, then I take the thread, you see me turning around it, so I tie it on top of it, and then I'll go to the next step. The next step is the same thing, just as you see me doing. Same thing, I just cut a little bit more of the hair from the back again, add it to the middle bun, put some gel on it, make it lay flat, brush a bit, and then tie it. And that's what I will keep doing till all of the hair in the back is tied to the middle bun. So now all of the hair in the back is added to the middle bun, and it's flat just the way it's supposed to be. If I had just taken that back bun and just added it to the middle bun, it would have been puffy at the back. But because I went step by step adding it the way you saw me doing, it made it lay flatter just the way I wanted it. So now I'm going to the front bun, and I'm going to do exactly what I did with the back bun. So I just go through the hair, cut little parts of it, add them to the middle bun or to the main bun in the back now, and add gel on it, brush it, and then tie it down with my thread to keep it, laying the way I want it to lay. And this is pretty much what I would do till all of the front hair is tied to the middle bun and creating one single bun, which is what we want. So now I'm finishing up the front, tying the last part of the hair to the main bun in the back just the way I wanted. And you can see I've added my gels and everything just to make it flat, and now I'm just tying it together. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do to make sure that all my hair lays flat, because I have a lot of hair and very long. So I comb through it just to make sure that I have all the length, because now I'm going to need the length to be able to hold this hair together. Because right now I am going to hold the hair together by making a few braids out of them, like short braids, because it's too thick to make one braid. So you can see I divided that part of the hair into two. I'm going to just braid it real quick, make a little mini braid out of it. Out of both of them, you can see the two braids, and this will help me put the hair down so as to be able to fit my ponytail. At this point my gel is still wet, so I'm tying the hair down, because whenever you use gel and you tie it down with the silk fabric, it's going to help the hair stay down for a longer time and stay slick just the way you want it to be. That's exactly what we do with edge control when we are doing our edges, and that's exactly what I did here. And then I blow dry it just to make sure the process goes a bit faster, to dry the gel down faster. And yeah, that's pretty much how I laid the hair down. So after laying it completely down, when it's completely dry, I will start applying the ponytail to it. Now it's dry, it's time to start applying the ponytail. So the little braids I did in the back, I'm just going to either pin it down, but in this time I didn't have time to look for my pin, so I just tied it down, and that works too. But you can use a pin to pin them down and keep them in place. Attaching this ponytail is super easy. As you can see, it has two pins, one at the beginning, like at the top, and one at the bottom of the ponytail, and it also has a drawstring. So I will use the top pins and pin at the top of my bun, and then the bottom pin or pin at the bottom of the bun, and then I would pull on the drawstring to make sure that the ponytail holds my bun pretty much, and then pull it also to help it stay in place. And then after pulling it, as you see me pulling it right now, after pulling it, I'm going to use that part of the drawstring, that elastic, and then tie it around and secure it, make sure that it doesn't come out, because that holds it in place. Now you can see where the ponytail starts. So I'm going to use some of the hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the ponytail itself where it starts, to hide it. It will give you like some kind of hide effect. And I will use a spray to spray it down for the hair to stay in place, or you can use a pin to pin it down, but I really do not like pins in my hair because they hurt my scalp, so I use a spray to spray it down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now the hair is in place, and I'm pretty much ready to go. Now I'm just touching it to fix it, but that's it. Yes.
So after touching it a little bit more, I think I gave it a better shape now. And I feel like I prefer it like this. It's more in place. You can see a little white patch here. That is because of the gel and the edge control mixed together, and maybe it was a little too much, so it created a patch. But I'll use water, a little bit of water, to get rid of that. Since I'm not going out, I'm not going anywhere right now, I would tie it, and I'll take out the ponytail before sleeping, and when I wake up tomorrow and I have to go out, I'll put the ponytail back on, and that's how I'm going to keep it on for, I hope that I'll be able to keep it. Today is Sunday, and I hope I'll be able to keep it all the way to like Friday next week, so that I could wash my hair and do my hair routine after work on Friday. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching up to this point, for those that got to this point. And I'm actually definitely feeling this hairstyle, feeling this hair. And yeah, like I said at the beginning of the video, I've never done the ponytail myself on me. I've done it on a friend has done it on me, but I've not done it on myself. So I thought it was going to be more difficult than this, but it was pretty much easy, just time consuming. But yeah, I really love the style. The hair is from Clemyluxhair as usual. You all know that's where I get all of my hair from, my goodies. So it's from Clemyluxhair. This is the kinky straight ponytail, I think in 20 inches. And yeah, I'm ready for tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and before I leave, if you love this content and you love my content, please don't forget to subscribe below. Click the little bell so you get notified every time I post something new. Alright, don't miss any updates. My next video I'll put somewhere around here. Click on that, binge watch, you're welcome. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you all, bye.